whether Indian car buyers prefer hybrid over electric. With the shift towards cleaner and greener transport options, car makers in India have been rolling out battery electric vehicles over the last few years. The combined sales data for August, September, and October 2023 revealed that strong hybrid vehicles recorded a total sales of 24,062 units, surpassing the 21,445 units of electric vehicles sold during the same period. Percentage of respondents preferring an electric vehicle as their next vehicle has reduced from 54% at the beginning of 2023 to 48% by October 2023. This is despite the fact that more electric cars were launched in India this year than hybrids. This trend is expected to continue in 2024 also. Problem many find is that electric vehicles have no backup engine to take over when the batteries run out of energy. Charging electric vehicles with the available limited infrastructure is still a challenge, and as more and more people are driving electric vehicles, they have started to realize the limitations related to charging. In addition, prolonged charging durations, safety of battery technology, high battery replacement cost, lower resale value, and disposition of electric vehicles are other notable factors responsible for low electric vehicle penetration in India. According to some car makers, India is still in a progressive stage and not quite ready for adoption of electric vehicles on full scale. Recent studies also revealed that people who want to buy electric vehicles are not doing it for the environment but simply because electric vehicles are cheaper to run than petrol or diesel cars and have lower total cost of ownership. Our lifestyle and driving habits also play a crucial role in determining whether a hybrid or an electric vehicle is the right choice for us. Those who take frequent long road trips often find a hybrid as a more practical option. In a market like India, where consumers prioritize reliability and durability, the proven track record of strong hybrids has become a contributing factor in the rising popularity of hybrid vehicles in the country. The major difference between a hybrid and a fully electric car is the energy source. Hybrid cars have a fuel engine and an electric motor that work together to power the vehicle, with the result better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Approximately 60% of a hybrid vehicle's run is on electric power and the remaining is on fuel, and the emissions are 30 to 40% less than conventional petrol or diesel engines. Right now, only few makers offer cars in this segment which are beyond the budget of an average car buyer, but the scenario is gradually changing. There is a perspective that hybrids will act as a bridge until the battery electric vehicle infrastructure gets a boost. The electric motor of a hybrid car is recharged by the internal combustion engine and regenerative braking. Regenerative braking basically uses kinetic energy which would otherwise be turned into heat and turns into electricity during the process of the car slowing down. Hybrid vehicles also use automatic start stop technology, which automatically shuts the engine off during idling and restarts as soon as the pedal is pressed. Thus, this reduces wasted energy from idling. Advantages of hybrid are better fuel efficiency than internal combustion engines, no driving range anxiety as the charging of the motor happens internally, lower emissions and eco-friendlier drive than a traditional fuel-powered vehicle. There are three main types of hybrid vehicles: mild hybrids, strong hybrids, and plug in hybrids. In mild hybrid, the motor and the engine are interdependent and can't operate without each other. Since most of the work is done by the fuel engine, this doesn't necessarily guarantee a good level of fuel economy and lower emissions. In strong hybrid, the motor and the engine can work independently and together. A low speed drive will put the motor into action, reducing fuel usage and emissions, but higher speed and power requirements will essentially be taken care by the fuel engine. The plug-in hybrid offers the option of charging the motor separately as well. So this model works exactly like an electric vehicle, offering a specific driving range on full charge. Currently, the hybrid car range in India starts from rupees 17 lakhs approximately ex showroom, but it is predicted to come down to around 10 lakh with the expected new models awaiting launch. Reasons behind the rise of strong hybrid cars is that they offer a more flexible and convenient driving experience, eliminating concerns such as range anxiety and challenges associated with locating and accessing charging points. Thirdly, the strong hybrids provide more diverse options than electric vehicles, including sedans, affordable MPVs, and compact SUVs. Again, with the decades of existence, hybrid technology has proven to be reliable, which makes it a preferred choice among consumers. Their better resale value further add to our appeal. The strong hybrid cars of India have proven their value and are emerging as worthy competitors to electric cars. While electric cars might still be years away from fully capturing the market, it is indeed a right time to include a hybrid vehicle in our buying list. Ultimately, the decision depends on our individual needs, preferences, and commitment to reduce carbon footprint. With this, I am leaving you. Wish you happy watching.